Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the model and iOS version so you know hardware limits. Once done, swap to a known good Apple-certified cable and an 18W or higher adapter. This rules out weak power sources. Inspect the cable and adapter for frays, kinks, or melted plastic, and shine a light into the iPad port to remove lint. If you see debris, use a soft anti-static brush or toothpick carefully. Avoid metal tools and excessive force. Now verify the entire power chain. Plug the charger into a different wall outlet, then into a powered USB hub, and finally a computer USB port, noting charging icons or lack thereof. Next, force restart the iPad to clear any software lockups that prevent charging. Follow your model's button sequence. Make sure iPad OS is up to date because firmware can fix charging logic. Finally, watch the battery icon and settings battery history. For final steps, swap to another certified cable and a known good adapter to isolate the accessory. If charging still fails, back up your iPad and perform a restore via Finder or iTunes to remove stubborn software corruption. Once restored, test charging again. If the problem remains, you likely have a hardware fault, battery, charging IC, or port damage. One key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent charging occurs, record when and how it happens to relay precise symptoms to Apple support or a repair technician.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.